Yes, 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 crypto boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we are all crypto bosses. Remember, guys, that is the aim and the objective of this channel. Everybody's got an agenda in life, guys. Remember that. And I will lead with my agenda. My agenda is to make as many people financial free as possible. Crypto has changed my life. I want to change yours. I want to build a brand while I'm at it, and I want to change your life. So, guys, if you like the sound of that every day, I'm here giving you free value, giving you guys the latest and greatest crypto news, Bitcoin, baby. Then hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment what's your favorite cryptocurrency down below, and we move on to the video, guys. So, we dipped below 20,000 again, guys. And right now, it's looking very boring, moving sideways. Very boring for Bitcoin right now. I reckon we got, okay, what we got now. So look at the volume. Volume is pretty low. Pretty low. So not looking too good. Volume-wise, RSI is about even. So it's not too overbought, it's not too oversold. So we're very neutral now. If you look at the RSI, the volume actually was average low. And we're just moving sideways, guys. Very boring market. The thing is now, when it's like a boring market and we move sideways for so long. The more we move sideways, the more chance possibility it will go down to the lower side. So just be careful of that, guys. I feel like, as I said, I'm still predicting 10k Bitcoin, 100%. The only thing is, with 10k Bitcoin, it's great for us, but possibly, can it get there when you got apes like MICKLE SAYLOR buying 10 million more Bitcoins? Okay, there's two sides to this story. One is we're like, okay, only 10 million Bitcoin, like, okay, it's not the end of the world, MICKLE SAYLOR, like, you know, why didn't you spend a couple of billion on Bitcoin? Guys, we need to realize MICKLE SAYLOR, MicroStrategy, the company. This is the company, most big companies that are on the stock market, that have shareholders. You'd be surprised how much he even owns the company. Shareholders more own companies than actual owners of the company, right? Because they sold percentage of the shares to investors. And if you own less than 49%, really, you can be outvoted for anything. I personally believe that the shareholders don't want MICKLE SAYLOR buying Bitcoin. Guys, to be buying these kind of number of Bitcoin, even 10 million, you've got to have this deep obsession with crypto, with Bitcoin. It took me 9 years to get here, guys. I was buying Bitcoins at $300. How many Bitcoins did I save from then? 0. How many Bitcoins did I save like last year, 2 years ago when I got crazy with it? A few. So it takes kind of time and kind of understanding to get this knowledge for Bitcoin. He can get the dream himself, but then to portray that dream to his shareholders, very, very hard. So some people are moaning, oh, only 10 million Bitcoin. But guys, I think he's just showing face. He's just showing, guys, yeah, he's still in it. He's buying. It's just something. Fair play. I personally reckon it could have even been his money or whatever, or, you know, he begged to at least buy some Bitcoin to show face, beg the shareholders. So yeah, that's fine. Moving on. El Salvador buys 80 Bitcoins. They bought the dip, baby. Love it. El Salvador bought the dip and acquired 80 BTC at the average price of 19,000. Telling you, this guy is more smarter than MICKLE SAYLOR. MICKLE SAYLOR keeps buying high. MICKLE SAYLOR even bought over 20,000. But the president of El Salvador comes in and buys under. Fair play. I like his strategy. And you know what, guys? People are saying these guys are crazy. What are you doing? Why are you buying Bitcoin? It's dying. Bitcoin's dead. These guys are smart. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. When your taxi driver is talking about Bitcoin, you sell. When your taxi driver is saying how Bitcoin's dying, you buy. Remember that. So simple. So fair play to El Salvador. Okay, big news of the day, and this is the last news. We're wrapping it up, guys. We're not going to do a big long one today. Let's check the algorithm, see what it's like on a 6-minute video. And Binance partners with Kobe Lame, the biggest TikTok star on the planet. Nice. Great news. That is great news for mass adoption. Well done for Binance. Really well done for Binance. Bringing in such great stars. Bringing the masses in. Like, people could say, oh, why didn't he get someone like, someone that's, I don't know, someone a bit older, that's had experience, has been around or whatever, some big, massive celebrity, some superstar. But no, this is the superstar of the crypto generation. Him. Look at him. Fair play to him. This is him. He's made millions of doing this. Guys, I know what I'm going to start doing if crypto crashes more. I'm going to go around and start doing this. Yes, guys. So, great decision. Like, you want to get to the massives, guys. You don't want to go and get some major big celebrities and is a bit older and that their generation, their target audience don't know about crypto. Perfect target audience. 140 million followers are going to know about crypto. Gets the masses in. Really, really great. So, great news. Oh, by the way, did you know 40%? I just thought this. I just found this yesterday. Found this information. And this is why you subscribe to this channel, guys, for this information, up-to-date information. 40% of millennials have invested into cryptocurrency. That is pretty huge, you know, guys. That is pretty huge. And it's only going to get more and more and more and more and more. And did you know that to get to gold's market cap would bring Bitcoin to over 150,000? That's epic. Just to get to gold's market cap. Gold is nothing. Do you get what I mean? Like, when I say gold is nothing, like, as in, like, we're the new generation. Not who buys gold, our generation. No one's buying gold, our generation. The old generation obviously fizzes out. We're the new generation, right? And then the old generation fizzes out. So the more the new generation comes up, they're going to buy crypto. They're going to buy crypto. Not going to buy gold. They buy crypto. They buy crypto. Before you know it, trend catches up, right? Makes sense, right? So mass adoption is coming, guys. Like, if you ain't in crypto now, I don't know what's wrong with you. And it's better to be in crypto while no one's talking about crypto, because that's when you get the bargains. All right, then, guys, I hope it inspired you. Love you all. As I said, guys, comment down below your favorite cryptocurrency. I want to engage with me. Go and get on my social medias. Twitter is Crypto Boss Meta. TikTok is Crypto Boss Mentor. Instagram is Online Boss Mentor. Let's stay connected, guys. I want to hear from you. I want to know who's been in the community from the start. Like, we're past 100 followers. It's nothing. No, it's amazing. Thank you, guys. But I'm saying, where I know this channel is going, we're going to the 1 million+ followers. Like, I ain't playing games, guys. And everybody that was there at the start, you're coming with me on this journey. Tickets to Dubai, parties, yacht parties. We're going in, guys. So stay with me, learning. Let's grow together. All right, then, guys, to the next one. Peace out.